friends, I am back today with another style video, and today I'm doing kind of a holiday, winter, I don't know, whatever this season is type of look. This is a little sweater. Everything I'm wearing is credited in the description below. I think this one is Mischief Made. It's very soft. My skirt is Hell Bunny, and I actually like mixing plaid skirts with something more than just like a basic black top. I like to mix prints and kind of play around. As long as your color family is the same, I think you can get away with a lot with mixing prints. And I also feel really weird always wearing a circle skirt without a belt. I don't know why, it's a mental block that I have. So here you are. Here's my little Santa Claus belt. These earrings are by Bow and Crossbones. When I'm doing these voiceovers, I have to kind of like look at the video to see exactly what I'm putting on, and I filmed this one a while ago, so I was trying to see what earrings these actually were. Yes, these are by Bow and Crossbones. She actually doesn't exist anymore, but I love these earrings. She made these kind of like vintage 50s style earrings. I'm kind of liking playing around with kind of modern things and vintage things and goth things and kind of bringing all the aspects of my personality into my style. So I put a flat cap on this outfit, and then these are just little TUK flats. They were a collaboration with Lux DeVille that are really cute. So I hope that you like this outfit. Let me know what you think about mixing styles. I've been getting a lot of comments of people telling me to like bring the pinup and rockabilly back, but you know, my personal style is evolving and I'm changing. So I am posting the way that my style is evolving, and hopefully some of you guys are evolving with me, and maybe some of you are getting some inspiration from my evolution. But I feel like I'm kind of going back full circle into style I had when I was a teenager. I don't know, maybe it's the fear of aging. Anyways, see you next time.